beginning of the universe. But what was the beginning of magic for me? Well, for me, it was when my uncle showed me this trick. He had a silver dollar, sort of a coin. And this coin, he would say, this is heads and this is tails. If you get it correctly, 3 times, we'll go out for ice cream. But if you get it wrong, even once, you have to go mow my lawn. Well, me being an impetuous youth that I was, I thought, no problem, Uncle, we can do this. So he spun the coin like this. He said heads and tails, tails and heads. All right, and you, ma'am, which do you think it is, heads or tails? That's right. But I would never get it the 3rd time. He'd spin the coin like this. He'd say heads or tails, tails or heads, and what do you think it is, ma'am? Tails, are you sure? You know why I would never get this? Because my uncle was a magician, and he'd take the coin and he'd make it disappear right before my eyes. When it would disappear, it would go to one of his pockets. I think it's, oh dear. Oh, here it is. Because the trick is, it doesn't matter if the coin is heads, and it doesn't matter if the coin is tails. See, there's actually 2 coins. If you move the coin in motion long enough, it looks like 2. There's 1 coin over here, and there's 1 coin over here. But when this coin appears, this coin disappears. Sir, I can see you're confused, so I'll show you again. There's 1 coin over here, there's 1 coin over here, but when this coin appears, this coin disappears. I didn't understand how he could do this. He'd take a coin like this, he'd wave, it's gone. He'd wave, it comes back. Every time I thought I knew where the coin was, it was in the wrong place. And then everyone would applaud. So then I watched him really carefully. And I thought I caught him. He goes, watch the coin. Here we go. Watch, watch, watch. I said, Uncle, it's in your other hand. He said, it's not in my other hand. It's actually here. See, I thought he had snuck the coin out from the hand. And he went like this. It disappeared from there. It went back over there. It went to here. Then it went from here back over to here and then back over here. And then everyone applauded again. Now, one time, my uncle said, I'll show you a trick. And I'll show you how it's done. I said, great. He said, look, here's what you do to trick them. You say, okay, I'll take a coin and put it in my pocket. It's gone and it comes back here. You take a coin, you put it in your pocket. It's gone and it comes back here. See, every time it looked like he put the coin in his pocket, he really left it here. And then he said, I'll make it bigger for you, and that way you can see it a little bit better. And everyone clapped.